জয় বিশ্বেশ্বরী, জয় বিশালাক্ষী, জয়।
When will the girl have some joy in her life, mother? At the beginning, Deepu wasn't ready to accept her. Yet the girl created some place for her in Deepu's heart. But now this happened.
Pratima, men in this family have gone astray earlier as well. When your husband abandoned you, I couldn't stop it. That day, if I could be strict with my son and bring him back to this family, then today you wouldn't have become an alcoholic, Pratima. I won't let Nayan's life get destroyed. In your case, I had kept quiet and allowed the disaster to strike. In Nayan's case, I won't repeat the same mistake. Let's go inside. Let's go inside, Pratima. Let's go. Come on.
Nayan? Stop crying, my child. I will pray to Lord so that Lord doesn't bring tears in your eyes. He should rather return your sight. And you should know one thing. If Deepu has gone astray for any reason, then we promise you, my child, we will surely bring Deepu back.
Nayan, my grandson is not a bad guy. Jasmine must have played some trick on him. Don't worry, Nayan. Deepu will surely come back to you. Mark my words.
Oh Lord, did you two come here to say this to me? I thought that you had come here to know the real information from me.
Real information?
I thought you had come here to ask me that what I was going to gift my husband tomorrow since it's his birthday. Tell me. Grandmother, Aunt Pratima, please tell me. Did you buy any gift for him? No. You can't remain so gloomy. Tell me, please.
Crazy girl. We will discuss that later. But what are you going to gift him?
Freedom. Pooja. I will offer a puja in the morning for his well-being. That will be my gift to him. I will pray to the Lordess that he should remain happy and healthy always. He should get a life which will make him happy.
The girl is trying her best to stay strong. But she is not able to pull it. She is failing, mother. Nayan, both you and Tripto are in pain. Why are you two staying away from each other? Why? Don't you want to see Tripto's face once? Don't you want to hold his hand even once?
Nayan, why did you come out of your room all alone? Nayan, how did you injure your forehead? Nayan, did you fall? It's bleeding. You please tell me, did you fall? There were so many people in the house. You would have called someone would have come and helped you.
I only have myself, sir. Let me learn to walk alone. No one can live one's entire life depending on someone else. That's not how it should be, sir.
I know, Nayan. You are saying this out of hurt. Nayan, did you see what you have done to your forehead while trying to walk alone?
That's what my fate is, sir. My bad fortune isn't going to change. Please stop worrying about me.
Nayan, let me...
Tripto, sir. Please let me make the habit of walking alone. And you too should make the habit of letting go of me, sir.
Nayan,
I am trusting you and moving forward. Don't follow me, sir. Haven't I already told you that I trust you? Please don't break my trust, sir. Please don't break my trust. Sir, don't break my trust, please. Don't break my trust. Don't break it.
I will erase all the sadness from your heart, Nayan. I won't give you any more chance to complain. But just once, let me prove the truth.
Deepu is coming this way. I must show some more restlessness in front of him. Oh Lord, I'm feeling worried about my son. Oh Lord, my son. My son was never like this before. He was never like this before. Will I be able to bring him back on the right track? Will I be able to do that? Tell me.
Mom?
Yes.
Mom, do you have Jasmine's address?
Who is that? Who are you? What happened? Why are you not answering?
It's me, Nayan. Vicky. Uncle Vicky. You can hold my hand without any hesitation. Really, Nayan? Everyone is cheating on you. Everyone is deceiving you. That too when you are in such a condition. How are you going to trust people if you can't see anything? You are too helpless and very weak. But you can be rest assured. I'll never deceive you.
Oh Lotus Vishalakshi, what is happening?
Hey, what's the matter? Why are you going away? Maybe a little later. was this? I was just trying to help this poor girl.
Don't you dare, Vicky. Don't you ever dare. Don't you ever pretend to help Nayan.
What are you saying, Pratima? Does this seem like a pretense to you?
Yes, it does. Am I not aware of your deeds?
No. Hear me out first.
Quiet! You guys have no scope to cite any excuse. You shared the news with Nayan that we were suppressing from her. Even if you don't admit it, we very well understand your intention behind telling her. Go and tell your sister. Even if Nayan is her biggest enemy, I am her eternal enemy. I am aware of every strategy of yours. You want to make Nayan feel helpless and then make fun of her? Then listen to one thing very clearly. As long as I am here, she will never be helpless. Not a word more, Vicky. Go!
You are misunderstanding.
Go away from here! Come with me.
How much ever you show your arrogance, you yourself are helpless, Pratima. Your husband has left you for someone else. Moreover, you are childless. You are staying in this house forcefully. How are you going to save Nayan? Mark my words. Nayan's future will be more miserable than yours. That will happen sooner or later.
What happened? What happened? Do you need water? Are you thirsty? Hold on. I'll give you water, Nayan. Hold on. Here you go. Here it is. Drink the water. Drink it. What's wrong with you, Nayan? Why are you trembling like this? Hey, did Vicky say something to you? Huh? Oh, easy. Calm down. You'll be okay. Come here. Sit down. Come. Sit here. Come. Sit here.
But why did Uncle Vicky hold my hand in that inappropriate manner today? Is he trying to take advantage of my blindness? Aunt Pratima?
Here I am. Tell me. What's the matter? Nayan?
Should I tell this to Aunt Pratima? No. Everybody is already so worried about me. I shouldn't add to their worries.
Nayan, why did you stop abruptly? Tell me. Did Vicky,
No, Aunt Pratima. Actually, Dripto went out in the morning without having his breakfast. So, have you seen him anywhere?
Is Nayan hiding something from me?
Mom, please give me Jasmine's address. I need to talk to her urgently. Please give me the address. Please give it to me. Mom, why are you looking at me like that? Why don't you give me the address?
Does Nayan know that you have come to ask me for Jasmine's address?
Nayan, let me do it for you. Just stand here. Let me do it.
No, Aunt Pratima. Let me try myself to serve food for sir.
Oh, okay. That's fine.
Let me serve him food today. I don't know when I will again have this good fortune in my life. I don't know.
No. Nayan isn't cheering up at all. I must do something.
What's the matter, Nayan? Why haven't you served me food yet? What kind of wife are you? This will not be accepted. What happened? Answer my question. Why are you silent?
Are you trying to tease me? Well, sir, I will serve you food right away. Please wait.
No. From what I can see, I feel that you should remain under Rangana's training. Only then you will learn the chores properly.
Stop teasing her, or else I will.
I failed. Ultimately, I couldn't do it.
So what? You should try again. Never mind if you have failed once. Aunt Pratima, she will do it this time.
Come on, come on. Here. Hold the plate like this.
Come on, here is the water. Hold the plate.
Go and give it to Deepu. Go. Rangana, take her.
I don't want to reveal everything to Nayan as yet. I'll disclose at the right time.
When will that time come, Deepu? Here, Nayan is.
Mom, I don't have time to waste. Please give me Jasmine's address, please. I need her address. I'm telling you repeatedly that I need to meet Jasmine urgently. The receptionist of the hospital where she was admitted told me that she had been shifted. But I have no idea where she is, Mom. Until I find her, I won't be able to present her before Nayan and reveal the truth. Mom, please do not delay. Give me Jasmine's address, Mom. Please, Mom. I can't wait anymore. Please try to understand.
Did Jasmine rest her head on your chest?
Yes.
Didn't you hold her tight?
Yes. Mom, please do not delay. Give me Jasmine's address, Mom. I can't wait anymore. Please try and understand, please.
The address is... Isn't that Nayan standing outside the door? I see. In that case, I have to change the game plan. I must prove Deepu as a bad person in front of you, Nayan.
Mom, why are you silent? Why don't you give me the address, Mom?
I will not give you Jasmine's address, no matter what, Deepu.
You won't.
No, Deepu, no. I can't see you going to Jasmine, leaving Nan behind.
Mom, please. Mom, I need to meet Jasmine. Mom, I beg of you. Please give me Jasmine's address, Mom. I need to talk to her urgently. I must meet her, please.
Have you become so desperate, Deepu, that you are pleading with me for the address? I know that I have committed many mistakes in my life, but believe me, Deepu, I can't do this. It's impossible. Being a woman, harming another woman? No, Deepu, I can't do this. Deepu, I can't do this.
Mom, believe me, you are not harming her.